Alright everybody, welcome back to Skyway Classics YouTube channel. We are now going for a ride in our 1966 Chevy Chevelle hardtop. Now I know what you're saying, folks. Back when you were a kid, you used to go to the store and see this car in the die-cast shelf. Of course, back then it was only 14 bucks. Now this one's probably more than that. Of course, now coming into reality, we have our fine blue exterior. If I'm mistaken, it should be called Marina Blue, featuring the rally style wheels with the three flat spinner hubcaps. As you can see, we do have the appropriate SS hood for the vehicle. Moving on to the interior now, as you can see, we have that fine wood grain 3-spoke steering wheel. It is a 4-speed manual, and as you can see, we do have the working clock inside the shifter. Moving on, we also have the working old school tach that you rarely see in any of these older cars anymore. We got a late model 2-knob radio. I do not believe it is Bluetooth, but it is a aftermarket style. You got the stock cluster with a working speedometer. If I'm not mistaken, I do know all these gauges do actually work. Other than that, you got the old school crank windows, appropriate door panels, fine vinyl bucket seats along with the matching back. And one of the coolest things we want to add to this vehicle is we do have cutoffs for the exhaust, which is the appropriate time to put it